Hello and welcome back to CAD for Horticulture. Today we're going to talk about layers. So layers are an important part of AutoCAD. Right here is the panel. It's in the Home tab. A lot of things to know about layers. First of all, layer 0. So layer 0 exists in every AutoCAD drawing. You cannot create or destroy layer 0. Def points layer, that will come automatically. There are a lot of automatic layers within AutoCAD. So if we do any dimensioning, things like that, that def point layers will automatically get there and you cannot erase it once it is there. From there, we can see we have a bunch of different layers created. So you can create layers to control a lot of parts of your drawings and kind of isolate things. You can also turn layers on and off through this light bulb. Through the sun and little snowflake here, you can freeze and thaw. You can lock layers. In modern AutoCAD, on and off is really outdated. The big problem with turning layers on and off is that you can still draw, believe it or not, in a layer that's turned off. So if you happen to be drawing and you don't see anything happening on the screen, you might double check, make sure you're working on a layer that is turned on and not off. Freeze thaw doesn't have that problem. So pretty much everyone is going with freeze thaw. You can see layers or you can't see layers, and that's it. Locking layers is a great way to protect them. This next spot here is color. So I click on that, it opens up a little color dialog box. For people just starting out in AutoCAD, I'd stick with this basic row of colors here. That way you'll be safe. AutoCAD uses colors very archaically when it comes to printing. So the fewer colors, the better when you're just getting started. Some other things to know. If you need to change something in a layer, you can click on that object, come here from the pull down menu, and change it into a new layer. With the command line empty, it'll show you what layer is current. To make another layer current, you just come here and you pull the layer you want to be current. Again, the command line is empty. That is how you set a layer current. Next, I'll show you the layer property manager. So here's the layers properties. You click on that and this next box opens up. From here, you can create layers. So you can click on the little icon over here, new layer, and it'll add layer number 1, and you can control how it looks, what color it is, everything from what lines it uses, line weights, the colors, the printing, the printer is either on or off, and whether you can see it or not in that viewport. Very powerful when you get into viewports, so we'll talk about that when we get to viewports. When you have bigger drawings, you can also use filters. You can delete a layer as long as there is no information on that layer, and the green check sets a layer current. So that is a really quick rundown of layers. Layers are extremely easy to use, but there's a lot to it. So I encourage you to hit the F1 key once you get into layers and read all about it.